Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something very exciting to share with you all. So I was randomly scrolling Instagram one day and I saw there was a birthday sale going on YesStyle website. And YesStyle was really offering a very good discounts on certain products. So I shopped a little. Actually, I have gone a little overboard with my latest K-beauty shopping spree. While shopping, I also checked Stylevana website because I have ordered products from Stylevana previously. So I checked both the websites and order from each of them. Obviously, products are different, but price was the deciding factor. So let me quickly show you what all I got, break down the key ingredients and tell you what I'm most excited about. So let's start with cleansing. This is where the good skin begins. And for cleanser, I have got this Arencia Fresh Green Rice Mochi Cleanser. Look at the packaging, it's so cute. This is what it looks from inside. This has been all over my For You page. This is supposed to be super gentle and effective. The rice water is great for brightening. This helps in deep cleansing. It provides natural glow. You can also use it as a mask, like just apply it, scrub it and leave it for 10 minutes and then rinse it. I can also feel small particles which will help you in scrubbing your face. Little goes a long way. The next which I got is this Dr. Althea Pure Grinding Cleansing Balm. So I'm unable to find a good oil cleanser for myself. Right now my skin is somewhere a combination skin and it's very sensitive. No oil cleanser is suiting my skin. So I went with cleansing balm this time. Dr. Althea is becoming such a cult favorite and this balm is supposed to melt away your waterproof makeup without stripping your skin. Quick tip here, double cleansing is the key. Oil cleanser first and then water-based cleanser. Your skin will thank you. So after cleanser, coming to toner. So I have bought these two toners. This is from Wonder Ceramide Mochi Toner and this is Dalba First Spray Serum. Both the products are super viral. The reason for buying this toner was solely because it has ceramides and my skin barrier was completely damaged. I have already started using this and I can see the difference. It really helps your skin to recover and build that barrier. But I have just used it for 2 to 3 days. I will use it consistently to see if I'm able to recover my skin because my skin has went through a lot this year and my skin barrier was completely damaged. I'm just in the recovery stage. Again, ceramides are basically your skin's best friend for barrier repair. Also, I really like the texture of this toner. It's very flowy consistency. It's water-like texture. It has some fragrance. Once you apply it, your skin really feels very good and hydrated. And this is the Dalba White Truffle First Spray Serum. This is also a very viral product. I've seen a lot of videos where people just spray it and they get a very subtle and beautiful glow. And this product tends to provide hydrated and radiant skin. I have gone for the mini version this time, and if I like it, then maybe next time the full version. So I got this mini bottle. There are 2 separate ingredients in this. First, need to shake it well before using so that the ingredients are mixed. Ooh. Let me just quickly use it and see it. Oh, it's not working. Ow, okay. I mean, this is the product right now, which you can see as a glow, but we will let this settle for some time and then we will see if this up to the hype and it provides that glow and hydration. If yes, I mean, this will become one of my favorite product. It also has certain fragrance. Hopefully, it does not irritate my skin. Okay, this is after it has dried out. Get this shine and glow. I mean, wow. I also got this from Medicube. This is a zero pore pad and this has AHA, BHA, penthanol and many other ingredients. It's very good for mild exfoliation. So I will be trying this for the first time. This toner pad has really very good reviews. I have researched a lot. Hope it lives up to the hype. And as you can see, the texture also, it's one side smooth and other side little rough to get that perfect exfoliation to your skin. I'm really not able to open this. The toner pads, and this you get 70 pads. This is the rough side and this is the smooth side. The rough side is very good for exfoliation. The next serum which I got is this Medicube TXA Niacinamide 15 serum. It has 15% niacinamide plus TXA. Niacinamide is basically a best friend for your pores. It controls oil, minimizes pore and just make your skin look cleaner. And TXA helps you to target that stubborn dark spots or the post-acne marks. It also evens overall skin tone. This is what it looks from inside. The formula is very flowy. With this serum, I also got their capsule cream. I think these are the two new launches from Medicube. Medicube has a lot of capsule creams. I have got 3 of them. The Vita C one, the PTRN one, and the TXA and niacinamide one. I am really liking the texture. Medicube is really crushing it. I mean, the variety they have and the technology they are using to preserve the potent of the ingredient. I mean, look how beautiful it is looking. I really like the texture, and it also feels very good when you apply to your skin. The next serum which I got is also from Medicube. This is the Medicube PDRN Pink Peptide Serum. PDRN basically promotes cellular regeneration and healing. And not only this, I also got their one-day serum, and I also got their capsule cream. With this also you get this small spatula. This is how it looks from inside. You can just Oh, that's so amazing. You can use one at a time. It also improves skin elasticity and firmness. And it also helps in skin repair and renewal. This is from inside and it's pink in color. The consistency is flowy. This serum has thick consistency, but it easily gets absorbed into your skin. Okay, the next serum is from Skin 1004. This is Centella Tone Brightening Capsule Ampule. And you can see in this video, I have some different love for serum. I have gone for really wide variety of serums this time. Centella is basically a very powerful anti-inflammatory and healing ingredient. It also helps repair damaged skin barrier and smooths irritation and redness. And it also helps in calming sensitive skin. It has the small capsule inside the serum. I think this one is best for acne-prone skin or sensitive skin or post-breakout healing, which I really need right now. Next is this Arencia Red Smoothie Serum 30 packed with vitamins. This packaging is so cute. It's packed with red fruit extracts for antioxidant protection and hydration. Look at this cute packaging. I really like the package. Let's just open it and see the texture. This is how it looks. This also looks like jelly. I'm just hoping like this is not like a collagen cream. Let's apply some and see. This is getting quickly absorbed in your skin, which is a very good thing. It has some kind of fragrance, but I'm not sure what it is. If you are new to serum, remember to introduce serum slowly. Start with every other day, especially with the active ingredients. I also got this Medicube capsule cream. This is the Vita C capsule cream. I think this was the first capsule cream which Medicube launched back in the days, and it really went super viral. This is vitamin C, and it also has the same texture like other two, the PDRN one and the TXA and niacinamide one. Look how beautiful it looks. And with all the capsule cream, you also get the spatula. And vitamin C works really well for dull skin or hyperpigmentation. The next thing which I got is this moisturizer. This is from Dr. Althea. This is the very viral 345 relief cream. I have seen a very mixed review about this. Like, it worked for some people and it gives breakout for some people. I'm just hopeful that it suits my skin and it helps me repairing my skin barrier. Basically, this moisturizer has 3 ingredients for blemish care, 4 ingredients for nourishing care, and 5 ingredients for soothing care. I have a lot of hopes from this product. I will post my review maybe after 30 days of using this product to see how it works on my skin. So if you want to see any detailed review, do subscribe to my channel and stick around. This is also from Skin 001. This is their Centella Probio Cica Bakuchiol eye cream. This is an eye cream, and this is the natural plant-based alternative to retinol. It helps in improving skin firmness and also helps in reducing fine lines. This is pack of 2. This is the applicator. The texture is very smooth and creamy, but let's see how does it benefits my dark circles and fine lines. Also, I restocked my latest favorite sunscreen. This is from Round Lab, and I really like this sunscreen. This does not leave any white cast and it's very nourishing. So I got 2 of them. I also got another sunscreen. This is from Abib. This is also a Korean brand. This is a Wick Sun Stick. In a stick form, you can easily glide it over your makeup, or whenever you are out, you can just apply it and you're good to go. Korean sunscreens are really great. I have used like a lot of other sunscreen from Korea and I really like them. This one I will be trying it for the first time. Let's see how it will work. This one I got it for free, the House of Her Weightless Sun Fluid. This is also a sunscreen. Texture is very smooth and runny and it quickly gets absorbed. It will not leave any white cast. The rest everything which I got is from the mask section. Like, I have literally bought a lot of sheet mask. sheet masks are really very good for hydration and glow. I've also got these two sheet masks. This is not actually a sheet mask, this is a gel mask. Both are from Medicube. One is the Kojic Acid Turmeric Brightening Gel Mask and the other one is the PDRN Deng Collagen Gel Mask. I've already used their Biodance Collagen Mask. I'm really excited to try these two as well. Right now Medicube has like lot of gel masks with different ingredients which you can try from. I also got this mask. This is from Medicube. This is their Zero Pore Blackhead Mud Mask. This has AHA, BHA, PHA which helps in taking care of enlarged pores and also helps in minimizing the blackheads appearance. So this product is not that viral, but I've seen the reviews, like whosoever has used it has really said very good things about it. So I'm just hoping like it helps me with all my blackheads to clear it out. So I'm excited about this one as well. These are the other two masks which I got. These are the wrapping masks. This is also from Medicube. And one is the Kojic Acid Turmeric Night Wrapping Mask. And the other one is Collagen Night Wrapping Mask. A lot of mixed reviews about this one. Like it does not do much. But I bought it. I will see if this works for me or not. This has Kojic Acid, Vitamin C and Retinol which helps with brightening the skin. And it also has turmeric which helps in nourishing and revitalizing skin overnight. So these two are the overnight wrapping masks. You have to apply it and leave it for overnight, and in the morning you get that satisfying peel. Okay, finally we are towards the end of our haul video. I've already opened these two products. Again, these are from Medicube only. Oh my god, I think I've got a lot of products from Medicube. This is a collagen jelly cream and this is their booster device. I have used it once and I really didn't like the texture. When you see the texture, it's very satisfying and it's fun. I use this with the Booster Pro. Maybe I will not buy this again because of the texture. This is like a mini facial device. It has different modes. Till now I'm liking this one, but I'm not liking the texture it leaves on my skin after using it. And that's my massive K-beauty haul. I literally cannot wait to start testing these out and share my reviews with you. I have already started using few of them, but majority of the skincare is not touched yet. Maybe I will be using it in the coming weeks or month. So once I use it and I have my opinion about it, I will definitely share it with you all. I have bought most of the products from Medicube only. I'm also surprised right now, and I also feel like whenever Medicube launches any product, it goes super viral. Like everybody is loving it. But these products, I will be trying it on my own and seeing whether these work for me or not. Right now, I am in process of healing my skin barriers. So I will see which products help me in healing my skin barrier. And that's all about this video. Let me know in the comment if you want to see review of any specific product, or if you want me to create video on any other specific topic, put that in the comment and I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye.